Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and invite link of your group chat in Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram application and you can select a group chat you want to copy the link. For example, I'm going to copy the link of this group chat. So I'm going to open this group chat and then we can click on the group chat's name and then we can click on this pencil icon on the top. Okay, and here we will have some options and go to the invite links. All right, and since we want to copy the link of this group chat, we just need to click on copy and we will be able to share the link to our friends that maybe want to join this group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can copy and invite link of our Telegram group chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.